Punjab Police Chief Inam Ghani has said modern professional training of police officers as per the requirements of modern policing is among the top priorities of the department, so that trainees may perform duties in accordance with the rules of smart community policing and in the best possible way. He further said, in view of the coronavirus epidemic, precautionary SOPs should be implemented in all training colleges and schools of the province in all cases. While in the style of training college Sihala, the rest of training colleges and schools in the province should also conduct short-term courses in order to prevent terrorism, immortality and sexual abuse of children and women. Inam Ghani further said long-term courses should be continued only in those areas which are most urgent, while short-term courses should be kept more focused, short and continuous. All training centers in the province should continue their research work with the support of Research and Development Department, while the scope of internship programs starting from the Central Police Office for the guidance of students and for educational and research purposes would be extended to training centers. IG expressed these views while presiding over a meeting on training matters of the police force at the Central Police Office. Additional IG training Kanwar Shahrukh, DIG training Dr. Suleiman Sultan Rana, Commandant Police Training College Sihala Abbas Ehsan, Commandant Police Training College Multan Gohar Mumtaz Bhutta, EIG training Tanveer Tanveer, Ahmed Nawaz Chima, Principal Police Training School Farooqabad, Amir Abdullah Khan Niazi and others attended the meeting. Addressing the meeting, the IG further said during training courses in training colleges and schools, special training should be imparted to the trainees in writing FIRs and case files so that they could perform their professional duties more efficiently. In order to fill the vacancies of lecturers in the training institutes, a summary should be prepared for the appointment of lecturers on deputation from the Education Department. Integration work of IT projects of Punjab Police with IT programs of training colleges should be completed soon. He further said transferred staff in the training institutes should be immediately sent from the districts to the training colleges and schools, and offices who don't relieve the transferred staff should be held accountable.